Welcome to AyurPatra, the digital Ayurvedic prescription system designed to upgrade your Ayurvedic practice digitally. This system was made by Dr. Swapnil, specifically for Ayurveda doctors. Handwritten prescriptions come with everyday challenges: illegibility, no digital presence, missed opportunities for promotion, and valuable consultation time wasted on writing the same details repeatedly. While market alternatives exist, like clinic management software, they are often expensive, complex to install, prone to lagging, and lack specific features for product sales, lifestyle advice, or social media integration. Introducing AyurPatra, a simple, smart, and professional digital Ayurvedic prescription system. This is a simple, no software, no app digital prescription system designed especially for Ayurveda doctors. The first page of your prescription transforms into a professional asset. It features a premium layout, medicine arranged in a table, separate sections for panchakarma, diet, and a clickable link to your clinic's website. The second page allows you to highlight your Instagram and YouTube content, includes a one-click share button to the patient's WhatsApp, saves prescriptions to Google Drive, and allows you to add products with Buy Now links. AyurPatra helps you place your clinic products with a quote, IYNowW link on the second page of the prescription, which is the best way for branding your own products and increasing sales. Creating a prescription is easy. Just fill out a simple Google form, receive the prescription via Gmail, and share it instantly on the patient's WhatsApp. AyurPatra differs from standard clinic software by requiring no installation, offering social media integration, product promotion, direct sales options, and instant patient sharing, all for just 2,999 rupees. Turn every prescription into a practice growth engine with clickable website links, content showcases, product promotion, and direct Buy Now W e-commerce links. AyurPatra is an affordable digital upgrade for your clinic, costing 2,999 rupees per year. This includes full branding, social media links, product promotion, and the instant WhatsApp share feature. Try before you subscribe. Your free demo is ready, offering 10 digital prescriptions absolutely free. Experience the premium feel without any payment details or obligation. Getting started is simple. Click the demo link, fill in your details, generate your prescription, check your email, and share it with your patients instantly via WhatsApp. Modernize your Ayurvedic practice today. Scan the QR code or click the link below to start your free demo. Your expertise deserves a modern presentation.